The village hall originally was at Ashby Hall, and we bought it from there 75 years ago last year. We had an anniversary in August last year, so 75 years it's been in this particular position. A lot of people use it for the coffee morning. It gets them out the house, chat to people, so it is well used.
I'd recently had a new boiler fitted by Central Plumbing and Heating myself, and contacted Worcester Bosch to see if they'd be able to help us out with maybe a reduced costings as we're a charity-run organisation.
The customer, Karen, she got in touch with Worcester Bosch, who were at the time putting on a promotion for a free boiler, and we heard back last month that they were successful. So that means that we are supplied with a boiler and all the kit from Worcester Bosch. They're paying for the boiler and all the pipe work and all the equipment needed, and we're going to do the install for free, just to give a bit back to the community. Community halls like this in rural areas are like a lifeline. Like anyone who's tried to organise anything in rural areas knows that the local village hall is just a great hub of the village, and it's our chance to give back, really. It was on the back of Worcester's promotion, but it's great to get involved.
We're one of the few. I don't believe many are given away a year, and we're just absolutely delighted to have won the competition and to have Central Plumbing and Heating here to install it for us.